Hello there. Every time I play this intro, it's just something. Ready with the algorithm for type inference and type checking in your display language. Well, Hindley Milner. That's it. Like, you can run Hindley Milner that globally on all of the functions. It's just gonna be pretty annoying. Unless you like make all the functions actually generic, which is I think what Haskell does. But yeah, it's pretty insane. Oh wow, I have a lot of things on my to-do list. I have no idea where to start though. By the way, look at the new layout I've got in Godot. I don't know, I feel like it's easier to navigate for me this way because I have only stuff on the left and stuff on the middle instead of having also a right pane. But I don't know. It's like it's not even inspired by anything. Learning Hindley Milner when you can instead waste time writing and rewriting your own algorithm. Times it's still elegant. I mean, chances are you probably written Hindley Milner. Because I'm pretty sure it's like the most straightforward implementation. Unless you go and invent something iterative, insane and painful. It's like that converges at some point after n factorial operations. Like n squared over 2, whatever. So yeah, I need your help. I need to figure out how to make catching more intuitive. Because it's not right now. Also, I spent like a few hours trying to get a virtual monitor on X11. It was a big pain and I didn't get it in the end. Because I need the virtual output, and to get the virtual output I need to hack stuff, which I don't think anybody has succeeded with that in XOS, and I don't want to spend my time on it. I already wasted enough. So now I kind of want to go back to Wayland. No, maybe I put Sway as a next C compositor. Or what was it? XFC compositor override. It's compositor. By the way, I also got rid of myself here. Okay, so has no concept of traits type classes, but you do. You call them contracts, and generic types are simply a set of positive or negative contracts. Negative trait bounds, yay. That doesn't exist in Rust. Just out of curiosity, things. Also, I forgot. No, that's better. into any situations in Rust where you needed negative trade bounds. Well, I have, but you don't need negative trade bounds in reality. It's just I was fighting. So I was fighting like orphan rule or something. So oh wait, actually, oh, I had a situation where I implement a trait for every type that implements another trait, and I had conflicting implementations. Yeah, and so I was like, what if I say, what if I need to make two traits exclusive? Like when I have one trait implemented, another trait must not be implemented. And I don't actually really know how to solve this problem in reality, but I'm pretty sure it's a design issue. Because Rust is designed to not work like that. Rust was meant to be used differently, Rust trait system. So I wanted to check window manager, probably actually I need advanced, no. XFCE override window manager. Yeah, XFCE. I kinda wanna Wayland. Kinda wanna go back to Wayland. But I don't want to use the window manager because then I don't have much things. I don't have enough. Kwin. You can take Kwin and put it in XFCE. What if I do that? Oh yeah. I think I have messed with that. Like, I choose XFCE because it's the second window manager I use. It's pretty light and I don't need much. I just need like dbus setup, notifications setup, whatever, free desktop setup, and I don't want to deal with it myself because I have done it before many times and it stopped being fun. XFCE is not a window manager. That's why I'm using it. But you can override a window manager of XFCE to use something different. So like here, this guy explains how to use Kwin. Oh, it's a YouTube video. Like, I know I saw it somewhere, but I'm pretty sure I saw it in text form. Oh, this video has been removed for violating YouTube's terms of service. PSPWM. Like, I tried XFCE with Sway. It didn't work. It just didn't work, that's it. With zero collaborations. If anyone wants to collaborate, I'm open for that. So I wanted to check chat. Have to get it loading. I don't know. I just like wanted to check if I had Sway config, so I wanted to try so I wanted to try like, since I had Sway already set up, I wanted to try like, putting it into XFCE. i3 is an X11 window manager, so I'm not gonna use it. I want Wayland. Because X11 is old and I had problems with it apparently. Maybe I might actually try Cosmic because it's, again, Cosmic Desktop. Because it's, I think it's out of alpha now. Or maybe it's still in alpha, but I know it's like, it's easy to get on NixOS. Except, probably they do. I mean, via X11 compatibility layer. They for sure should be. Alpha 7. Cosmic Epoch 1 Alpha 7 report, whatever. So yeah, on Pop OS doesn't remember. So Cosmic is out to Pop OS, so I'm assuming it's stable enough. And like I wanted to try it forever, then I tried it on NixOS, but I didn't use it. So maybe I'll try it again. I don't know. It probably will lack configuration, so I wouldn't be able to set up my toolbar like that. Actually, what's the default one? Oh, it has like workspaces and applications, buttons, GNOME. LXQT Win is popular. What? I know LXQT exists. I never used LXQT myself. I know it exists. I know it's like the combo is. I mean the main desktop environments are GNOME first, popular, KDE second, XFCE and LXQT, and I mean actually LXDE probably. There isn't much difference between them, I'm pretty sure. LXQT. I mean, Ubuntu has 1,000 forks with different letters prepended to use a different window manager. There's Kubuntu, Kubuntu, Lubuntu, what else? There is Ubuntu, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Don't ask me how I know about this. I mean, I just watched a YouTube video, obviously. But then I raised Plasma to look like Windows to prank my friends, and it went well. It was a long time ago. I remember it called something different. Oh, I remember Ubuntu. I remember this one. I have no idea where I actually first saw it. Probably a YouTube channel which I can't even recall the name. But yeah, I know it exists. Ubuntu has a lot of variations, because it's like the most popular Linux distro. I heard of it. I heard of them, but I don't think I even saw them, to be honest. Anyway. So if we look at chat, magically disappeared. Catch a plushie to make it more persistent. And then people like catch, alright, catch, whatever, QMK, like plushie and then being catch. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. And I need to make it work. I mean, I need to make it work easier. Or more intuitive at least. Because in reality, a person can't even catch a plushie. Yeah, I heard of this. I also never saw it, but I heard of it. Well, there's also Temple OS, which is not Linux, but good enough. Anyway. Imagine running a binary which doesn't have a cal flag. Well, you can do this version probably. But I'm pretty sure Suicide Linux doesn't work on like this way. I'm pretty sure it's like if a command doesn't exist, it only runs remref. Because it's based on bash hook, where it's like command not found, and so that normal distros look this binary up on there. You've been compiling for Raspberry and ARM. Oh wow, that's cool. I have a Raspberry Pi here. Hopefully it's still alive. Because I have burned some stuff recently. Anyway, so how can I make it more... how can I make it easier? More intuitive to catch plushes. And then to level them up. Because it's not intuitive. You know, maybe I could manipulate RNG. And the first, if you don't have any plushes caught, you do ping catch. And it just catches it first try 100% of the time. Where is the catch install, right? I don't see your comments anymore because I had got rid of it. Rust, Micro, Lisp, Camel, Lua, Regex, Firefox. Wow. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you that so when I had the message in Discord that I was rewriting the JSON file, I actually rewrote half of the overlay because I didn't like how Plushy system was structured. And yeah, here we go. We found something. XP2 level, because I changed the XP2 level up. Oh, why didn't change here? Yes, so I was rewriting it and I was going to ask you to test it because I renamed a bunch of things. And actually it here it used to be plushy.stats.xp2 level, but I changed it to plushy.xp2 level. And then I renamed xp2 level to xp2 level up and didn't change it here. Level 13, 90 attack, 39%. Okay, I need to nerf it more. I need to make progression at the stage like impossible. I mean, I know where to progress to, because when you have plushes that strong, there's no point in battling anybody except like other chatters who have plushes as strong, and there aren't many. Before the system got rigged. It didn't get rigged. I just made it exponentially grow because it was OP. When, I mean, on the other hand, you won't defeat a plushie like that, but you got more levels than a plushie itself has. That's unfair. That is unfair. So maybe I also make like XP gain for when you get defeated, you gain some XP because you battled. I don't know. No problem. Anyway, so yeah, may I ask you to test some stuff? So yeah, just run some commands, battle, I don't know, yourself, I guess. Well, I can give you some to test. Because I probably broke a few things. By the way, you have Markdown even from the book. I mean, there's Markdown, there are both. You don't have either. Team Markdown. Wait, what? No, because you don't have Markdown. You can get Markdown now. I'm pretty sure. Oh, вернее, hi. Unfortunately, not on stream, but here. See, I'm pretty sure you wanted to get it last. Oh wow, that's lucky. So you wanted to get it last stream, but you didn't. Oh wow, I broke a leg. Too bad. I know, but they said I thought like too many messages it would be, but maybe I will, you know. Oh, you had Markdown, you gifted it to somebody. Right. Well, you have 10 plushes in your plushie decks. By the way, you can have multiple instances of the same plushie. So you can have like 2 markdowns. And you can name one markup and another markdown. And even if you end up with 2 plushes named the same, you can rename one of them. Or actually, one of them is gonna get renamed if you try to rename them. Let me... I think he streamed for a while. He hasn't streamed for a while. Also John Crow kinda disappeared again. He does YouTube videos though. Oh... Going... See, you can try fighting and leveling up. Maybe even catching. Because I'm pretty sure I broke some stuff. And yeah, if you want, I can do some visual feedback some more, because it's good, right? So here, you want feedback when a plushie doesn't exist. No, it won't. It's not meant to stay forever. It's gonna stay until it dies. I mean, until 60-second timer finishes. Only team plushes stay forever. So plushes that's in your team will stay forever. Okay. Yeah, that's something. Magically disappeared. Yeah, you couldn't not in your team. Reply now. Please fleet. Team. Like I made plushes persistent. Okay, team which one? Markdown for example. Yeah, works. Works now. See, I made plushes persist because I thought you'd have them on stream for forever, like. So do plushie, whatever. I'm gonna do Astro. And it's like, it's on stream. Yes. I renamed it if you don't remember. I renamed it manually using bang name or bang rename. I don't remember. It doesn't really matter. I'm pretty sure it was bang name. You can rename plushes. Come on. No commands. Oh, you don't need bang. Yeah, that's on Kanye. It's not me. Help command was implemented by Kanye. Don't blame him. See, I thought you'd have you'd spawn a plushie and you just have it forever on the stream until it dies or gets destroyed or something like that. Yeah, that's a shame. I mean, I guess I could add make it more descriptive. I already did this to gift, and I'm expecting an inspector window to pop up here, but it's not gonna be because it's here. Yeah, maybe I should move it inspector somewhere else. So yeah, for gift, I did this. Hey! I'm not gonna let you do that. I'm pulling you back. No! Well, how they... Wait. Oh, it doesn't work, huh? 30... Yeah, you've got 30 XP because Astro is not leveled up. What? Oh, I was focused on the wrong window. Ah, I regret writing this command. Well, caps. Oh no. Caps. Oh no, I have caps working. So yeah, after level 1. You get 30 per first kill, basically. So you can defeat 2 plushes to level up to level 2. System CTL restart, or actually status, and caps lock. I don't like this. What? List units. Canada. Oh, Canada dash internal keyboard. Yes, NixOS uses systemd. And it's so deeply bound to systemd that there's no way to get rid of it. That's the only reason I don't really like NixOS. I mean, I don't get it. Why are init systems so slow? Why are there so many services you need to start? This is weird. Yeah, Cosmic got NixOS second. Oh yeah, ads are playing. Active failed. System still restart. Yeah, caps lock works now. Caps lock works intended. No. Oh wow, I've got the sub. Yeah. Another ad. You're lucky. I mean, it's 3 minutes, I guess. Like, I forgot I got gifted the sub 2 days ago, or yesterday, I think it was. No, it was 2 days ago. Wait, no, it was yesterday. That's pretty cool. Anyway. It was a big hype train. Back from that. Welcome back. So yeah, I fixed caps lock, I restarted Canada. Now it works like it's supposed to be. So caps lock, when held, is control, and when pressed, is escape. That's how it should work. Okay, so... okay, where's the rename? Paying name... New name... Names... Last plus... Okay, is that better? Wait. Oh, it's square brackets around it. Yeah. Force development words while eating lunch every day. Such a well-planned language. Well, I somehow missed both. I don't watch much YouTube anymore. Because instead I'm doing random stuff like figuring out how to get X11 to give me a virtual screen so that I can use my phone as a second monitor. Or, you know, setting up those animations and automatic scene transitions. I just asked Merlin today. I was on Merlin's stream. I guess I could... Oh wait, this doesn't work like that. I can do it here. I can shut out. I think they don't mind. I don't remember their username though. Have I ever... I have flashed Linux on there. I have unlocked bootloader the intended way on there. And of course I have rooted it many times. But I think it's not rooted currently because I flashed because I flashed it. I flashed last latest firmware. And I have a stream idea. That's not the right Merlin. Like search Merlin and just scroll and search for him. How do they find them? Oh wait, here. I am Amber. Oh my god. I constantly forget it. Right? Yeah, it works. So yeah, they showed me how to do OBS stuff. You of course depend on it professionally to some extent. Android. Oh, so yeah, I'm planning to do a stream. So this is my phone. Can you see it? Here it is. Uh, running stream buddy. So I can see you. I can see your messages here. Oh, and it's mirrored for you, I'm pretty sure. Doesn't really matter. Oh, by the way, is oh my god, text on my shirt is also mirrored. Yeah, I should know that for future. Because I wanted to lights coming this way, from this way. And I wanted to look at myself and like point towards the window and see me in the reflection point towards the window. Anyway, so I'm planning to do a stream where I have another phone just like this one, except that it's black and it's bent. Don't ask me how it got bent. I have no idea. I received it this way. The person who gave me this phone, which is my uncle, received it bent already. And yeah, but I have had to unlock a bootloader there not in intended way, and it didn't help. So we're gonna have fun. Well, I mean, it works totally fine. I don't know. In long term, apparently there are some problems. So yeah, we're gonna be flashing Linux on that. And by that I mean, Postmarket OS doesn't have it. Everyone who was developing Linux for it gave up. Maintenance is stopped. Ubuntu Touch doesn't even build on it anymore. So we're taking a kernel from boot.tmg and flashing it and trying to get it to work as Linux distro. So yeah, anyway. I think I can do better with this. Oh wait, what? Have a nice lark with me. Rename last plushie. Name new name. Name old name new name. Old name new name. Here. Help rename. Rename a plushie from your team. Rename last plushie. Okay, maybe I should actually put a dot here. Okay, good. Now. Anything else I wanted to do? The team is fine, I think. At force put out. Cause that's yeah. Isn't it? Yeah, put out is not used anymore. People don't even know about it existing. So how can I make catching? Oh, by the way, I should have put repeat here. Cause yeah, that's a random playlist. Hold on. Yeah, welcome back, Nigel. So that's probably how I'm gonna leave rename. Type inference checking, was it bottom up? Infer and check sub expressions. Probably bottom up, but like I don't think about it. I don't think about those weird ways of control flow. I think about it like, okay, so I have an expression. So I'm currently processing it, and I'm like, okay, so for example, it's like a binary operator. So I go infer types for this one, infer types for this one, recursive calls, and then I can try to infer types for this one, for the whole expression, because inferring types method return a type for this sub-expression, and another method called return the type for this sub-expression. So I have two types, I can infer the type for this one. And then I can, yeah, I guess, yeah. But I don't think about it as bottom up, but instead like I recurse into it. I think about it as depth first search. Anyway. So yeah, and then like for type checking, I have a second pass because for the first pass I don't actually infer types. Instead I create type variables and replace all types with type variables, and on the second pass I do basically the same way of calling methods, so call on this one, then on this one, and then process the whole expression. So I replace type variables by types, by actual concrete types, and then I type check. So if those types are different, for example, I'm gonna throw an error, or like actually add an error to the list. So I'm pretty sure you don't need help, any more help. Description for help. I wonder what this does. Help. Kani. Kani. Why? That's a shame. That's actually just help. Oh yeah, it does prepend all of them with an exclamation mark. Oh, and here's a bar here. Yeah, why is help not a command? Wonder if I give description, it becomes one. Probably no. Why is even there a description for help command? And just inheritance stuff, I guess. It doesn't even have command field in. Anyway. So how am I gonna make hatching easier? Because I have no idea. So in Pokemon you get your first Pokemon, you get gifted your first Pokemon, and here you're intended to basically do the same. Yeah, but I would process, so because Hindley Miller, I would process unknown types as just the regular type variables. It wouldn't make a difference for me. And if I need like both, I could just add some code before I do recursive calling. So that's bottom up. Wait, no, that's top down. And then after recursive calling, it's gonna be bottom up. So it's just, it doesn't make sense. to use those names. You just say recursion, and if it depends on sub-expressions, or if sub-expressions depend on the result of this one. That's how I think about it. Anyway. I'm probably using this word way too many times. I should also probably watch my streams to see how audio is. Because I just watched a VOD from like a while ago. And audio there was awful. Because I don't know how to say words, how to speak, apparently. It's so unclean, so bad. So how do we make it easier for new people to catch? Like in Pokemon also, you can't just do bank Pokemon and it's gonna, and like a name, and it's gonna give you a Pokemon with that name and you can battle it. It's not how it works. It's just that you can do plushie here. You can make plushes that are not yours. What if I get rid of this, you know? For nesting into sub-expressions? I don't do any before nesting because Hindley Milner. Because there's no reason to. So like, so with add, well, let's imagine a simple. By the Wolf from Alpha, I think. Great plushie. So let's imagine. Yes, but it doesn't make sense. Let's imagine simple, like a binary operation, but I'll name it A and B. So I do type inference for A, or actually first pass for A, first pass for B, and then first pass for A returns me type, or actually a type variable, and first pass for B returns a type variable, and then I say type variable for A and type variable for B are equal, so I add them, so I merge their lists, because type variable for A is not just a single type variable, it's a set of all type variables that are equal, and for B it's the same, and then I merge those sets because they must be equal, and return the result of the merge. So it could be either A or B type variable because they mean the same thing. And when inferred, they must also have the same type. And when I merge sets, I also merge types. So if A type variable had a partial type assigned to it and B type variable had a partial type assigned to it, I would merge them. But that's like, I'm kind of on the edge of not talking about lattices, and I don't know what lattices are myself, really. It's mathematical madness. So yeah, it's something related to that. So what if I do plushie? What if I get rid of plushie? That's wrong world. Wait, on plushie. Yeah, that's exactly what I need. Except I need to. Here you go. Yay, this doesn't work anymore. There's some state outside of the recursion where the type variables are being tracked. Well, going top down would make it different because, well, actually, you know what? Going to top down would be better because you have, so when you go top down you could create a set for the operation already and then just Oh my god, so much better. Because you don't need to merge sets so much. It's like beauty of recursion. Beauty of thinking about it as recursion. You may have a top-down approach for a binary operation, and bottom-up approach for like a variable. I mean, not for a variable, but for a function. I don't know. Didn't think it through, but like you can use both of them, and you don't think about like, is it top-down, is it bottom-up, where is it going? Because you're gonna have to go bottom and then up. You're gonna have to go down and then up because it's how recursion works. So you think about it like as traversing the tree, not about it as, and like not just traversing the tree, but traversing the tree, and you when you enter a node, when you enter its child, you don't exit the node. Yeah. Thank you. So what do you think about the plushie change? Plushie. This is not possible anymore. Oh wow. Here. This is not a thing anymore. I think you're not gonna like it. Are you? Well, I don't like it either. Because it's harder to test stuff, and it's not. It's a feature I don't want to remove. What changed? Plushie command didn't work. What changed? Random plush is gone, and non-random plushes were also gone. But I don't like it. Only team plushes remained. So you couldn't have wild plushes. I mean, you could have wild plushes, but I would have to summon them like that. Constructs. You know what? I'm gonna say it is more beneficial to have a circular plushie. Oh no. Oh, by the way, did you notice? Yeah, you just ask me, or you. That's it. Well, I'm gonna add something where you're gonna be able to battle wild plushes of higher levels. But the point is, you spawn a plushie and then you trying to get it. By the way, this should have worked. Didn't I save it? Oh wait, I have. What's centralized? You mean like I have a monopoly? Like, point is, when a new buy comes to the chat, like I don't like it either, because I can't summon plushes either. And it's not gonna be a monopoly. It's gonna be, I'm gonna add more ways to get plushes, but when a person summons a plushie and then the plushie disappears, and they're like, okay, I need to catch it so that it persists. You can't catch it if you create it, if you summon it. And people don't know that. And that's a problem I want to fix. And if I remove that, if I remove creating plushes, you know what, actually, I have an idea. What did I type there? Where is... Oh wait, that's the wrong one. It's now called plushie instance. Yes, but when you see this message, you think, oh, if I wanted to persist, I want to catch it, then I'll create it and then I'll catch it. But it doesn't work like that. Oops. Yeah, I forgot this is a feature. Can you also see the screen zoomed? I wonder. You probably can't actually. What's Lutris? I feel like something familiar. So can you see the screen zoomed? I just zoomed the screen for myself. I bet you can't. So I'm I'm holding super and scrolling the wheel. Is there anything changing for you? Wait, what overlay included zoom in Zoom? Oh, it does work. Okay. It's not just overlay though. Well, yeah, overlay should be included in Zoom because it's a real window. Like here. Let me show you. Here is your overlay. I can resize it. I can full screen it. I can do whatever I want with it. It's a real window. And that's both positive thing because I can interact with it, and negative thing because it covers my screen. So, when plushie disappears, you know it because you've been there for a while, and you must know it at this point. But like, so it's not the best idea. And now that I have my phone showing me chat, and if I ever get a second monitor and I really want one, I might not need this feature anymore, but I'll probably keep it. Cause I can do this. That's cool, right? I can do this. I can see you doing stuff live. And I can also play Plushable with you. And I can do that with, on my second monitor easily, but no. I would be able to when if I had a second monitor. Oh my god, Luanti. I was actually, oh my god, you reminded me to remove some redeems. Okay, fine. I still have it. So since my server is not up, because one day this server is gonna get up, but I don't know, one day, I guess we could try. I don't know if FOSS server is up. Oh, let me check. Okay, so I don't know if FOSS Unleashed server is up. Where is wait, where is it? Here it is. Found it on my mini desktop. So yeah, we could try. I don't remember my password either, by the way. I don't remember my password. I guess it doesn't matter if the server is not up. We'll see. See, address resolving is fine, but Yeah, it's probably down again. Yeah, unfortunately. Do make a new world. Oh, I need to update all of this. Probably. Is it updating? Why do I have to manually update stuff? Oh, this has flow. I like how you can have directories for mods, unlike Minecraft. Play a community map. Okay, where do I get one from? I'll just update that. Well, yeah, I missed Sorion 2 by the way. um, a while back. Okay, so we need. Oh, how do I get community maps? I probably need to download them manually, right? Because I can't install them from ContentDB. What? It's probably a game then. Because there's the UI for content. That's what they meant. Okay, where is it? So in games. But what's this? Oh, controls, yeah. I mean, in this library. Citadel. A time traveling path. Oh wow. Let's read. You may not start the timer just yet. And I guess I can. Hold on, how do I get it? Oh, here's a button. Tap game. Text jam. Game 2023. Single player focused. Okay, whatever. Locals say the ruins are cursed, but you've also heard they hold an artifact that can make one immortal. Citadel, a time-traveling puzzle game. Find the unexpected routes around obstacles as you traverse a ruinous landscape. Use both growth and decay to your advantage. Oh wow. Strategically position foliage in the past. What? Oh, why? I might know what this means. Winner of the 2023 Game Jam. Oh wow. Tips. Try to get Sparky Sync. Should I read tips by the way? You need to find all of them. Oh, I don't think I should read them. You can probably tell me if I miss it. Let's start, I guess. This first file. It was enough. Mapgen single node, right? Great. So let's see. I should have so first of all I want to check settings, graphics. Yeah. So what do we have here? Do we have advanced? Yeah, I do have advanced settings. Without reading, but was confused at the start. So I need to walk to the center. But what are soft clouds? Oh, I'm not gonna see clouds. Oh wow, all music. Apparently. How have I entered sound volume settings? Graphics effects, leaves, connected grass, waving leaves. I don't see the leaves waving. So you have like, I'm pretty sure I have maxed out settings here. Except that I didn't have shadows maxed out. Filmic tone mapping. I could do automatic exposure. It has great music. Okay, now let me. Like, I like to play on high settings, even though like I don't play games much. Volumetric lighting, yeah, that's not something I could get in Minecraft. By the way. Oh wow, that's loud. Make it quieter. Tell me if it's too loud for you, cause I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, so what was I wanted? Whatever. I can't break stuff. What is this? Oh wow, Vortex. Louder than I am. Well, makes sense. But do I need to make it quieter? Well, I'm pretty sure. Like, it's just loud. Tell me if you want it quieter. I happened across a local legend. What? Whatever. About that may be of interest to you. Okay, I can tell it's. So I'm gonna make it quieter for myself. It probably shouldn't impact you. I can tell if this message is messed up. Some nearby ruins hold an artifact that can make one immortal. Do I need to become immortal? I don't want to become immortal. The site is fairly well known, and I have no doubt you can find it. However, I've been repeatedly warned to stay away. People say it's cursed. I'm certain the whole matter is merely superstition. I don't even know what this word means, but I heard it many times. But you always seem to take an interest in this sort of thing. If you decide to take a look, be sure to take note of any interesting native plants for me. And be sure not to damage religion stuff. Whatever. This left me more confused. I thought it's... Wait, I can't say it's an adjective. Because it's a noun. Anyway. I thought it's like a quality. Because I heard it in an adjective form. Be sure not to damage any of them. You'd be surprised how easily you can kill a tree by dropping stones or debris on its trunk. I'm not surprised if you do that. If the tree is gonna die. Look at the center of ruins first. Okay, that's what we saw in the paragraph. And then at the top, those are usually where the most important things are. The artifact mentioned in the legend is supposedly a large crystal. Even if it doesn't exist, I'm sure you could find some other interesting artifacts at the site if you want. I should turn it into a YouTube video, by the way. I should probably turn it into a YouTube video, actually. Clip it. I need to train my reading. You'd have to go alone. I tried to hire a local guide, but he wouldn't go anywhere near the ruins. He kept going on about forbidden powers and the dead living. Okay, we also have this, which... Okay, I'm assuming that's like bestiary. There's like stuff I find is gonna appear here. I'm assuming inside the... oh my god, it has done slots. Oh wow. Okay, maybe... maybe I need to make it this range. Ah! Oh my god! Like, the fact that I don't have velocity is just something. Because I'm used to playing Minecraft at this point. Oh! So it is a quality. Hold on, I want to... What can I change? Can I change field of view? And also I should probably lower the effects, dynamic shadows, low, medium, whatever. Because parkour with this low FOV, I don't know. Oh, here it is, 72. I play at 90 in Minecraft. Wow. Also, I want velocity. Also, sensitivity is high. Sorry, I just... 3.1. I know I'm used to high sensitivity. Oh, I can make it. Can I see stuff? That's F5, that's not what I wanted to see. That's not what I wanted to press. That's not what I wanted to press. not used to the keybinds. Controls. Whatever. Does shift work by the way? Pretty sure I fall. Wait, do we have sprint? I think we don't have sprint, so I don't need to hold control. Because I've been playing Minecraft parkour a lot lately. And by a lot I mean a lot. Okay, hold on, I want to get up there. There should be something here. Does this work? Yeah, that's just fine. Can I get out of the map? Oh, I'm close though. I see something there. Okay, whatever. I really miss velocity. Okay, I should probably get to play instead of looking around. You got the timer, Nigel, by the way. Oh my god, a maze. Okay, I wanna explore the whole maze, cause why not? And so far we did. I can memorize all the turns. Small enough. Oh, wait, there's a way up. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Okay, I'm assuming I got there. Oh wow! A title! I did not expect it to be that well. I think lighting is... like, comparing to Minecraft, because I played a lot of Minecraft. Lighting here and animations here. Not the best. Who are you?
Long have I waited, watching stone turn to dust.
So that's voice acting?
I did not expect to see you again. How much longer will you roam these ruins with stolen power?
Wow. I did not expect there will be voice acting.
Or have you not stolen it yet?
Okay, so I need to keep clicking.
Long have I waited, watching stone turn to dust. I did not expect to see you again.
Okay,
How much longer have you not stolen it yet? Have I waited, watching stone turn to dust.
Okay, yeah. I just can't go to center now, because I wanna see what's around. Also, do you feel the frame rate is a little low? It says 30 frames. Why am I saying 30 is low? Okay, maybe I can decrease like view distance a bit, because it's not much to see. But it's not helping, you know. Back to 230. I feel like it's more frames with the distance, whatever. I can get there, but wait, maybe I can't. I'm pretty sure I can't get there. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make the jump. I need to just do the blocks stall. We're gonna go. I mean, I guess I was supposed to go to the center, but I wanna see what's around there. Maybe like right click on some of the blocks. By the way, can I climb this? No, I can't. Wait, where can I? No, I can't. Just in case. Okay, I'm gonna go around once and then go. Wait, what's this tower? Sure, I can't get up there unless I like climb the ruins. I'm also like expecting same parkour rules from this game. Almost just used force momentum there. Not that I particularly good at parkour in Minecraft. Okay, so where do I enter? I guess I can just go through. Some stuff here. there's no. Hold on. Luanty doesn't have sprinting, doesn't have sneaking. Hold on, I wanna see. Wait, it does have sneaking. No. Oh, and it's not even messed up. I'm surprised by that. Because I remember it was messed up the last time I played. Wait, there's something glowing here. It said collect glowy thingies. I'm pretty sure. Can I actually make this jump? Is there... I'm pretty sure there's no velocity. Like in Minecraft, the accelerations actually take place. Also, why am I jumping from there? Hold on, oh wait, I can't. I'm so bad at... I feel like you can't make this jump actually. Well, maybe you can. Let me get like from here, from below. Okay, I can probably reach it while jumping. Okay, I seen something pop up. Also, I can get it to bubble before. No, maybe I can make this jump. I probably just need to right click or something. Pretty sure I tried with left clicking. Enough. So there's stuff on top. Okay, so I guess I do need to parkour a little bit around instead of just trying to jump. Okay, so we have this room. Yeah, I said there's... I said I probably need to parkour around, like, to get up. So there's nothing quite... I feel like there's nothing in those ruins except for this thing. Okay, so there's parkour around here. Where can I start them? This calls me for parkour, but can I... no, I can't. Oh my god, I'm not gonna make this jump. Can I make this jump? I don't think I can. Also, how would you rate the frame rate? Oh my god, this question of the day has been updated for a while. Hi. Bastronic. By the way, thank you for the follow. While I was offline, you followed. That's for so you're gonna... And currently we've got a distraction from Nigel to play some Luanty. This is a game. So Luanty is basically a clone of Minecraft, except that it's not really a game, but more of a game engine. And it's powered by mods. Mods can be... So many mods form a game. The game is basically a mod pack here. And yeah. And itself isn't great. I should probably change some stuff in settings. Because having maxed out graphics on this world makes no sense. So, and this is a winner of a game jam. This game called Citadel. OBS magically disappeared. Should probably enable map mapping and like stuff. Cause why not? BFS, cooling, fog. Probably in effects, leaf style, fancy, resistant liquids. Trade-offs for performance. Oh, I'm gonna turn this off. I mean on. Waving. Oh shit, I can leave it high. It's probably not. Actually, I can disable it. Because the game doesn't support them, alright. Post-processing. It's fine. You can pause it. Not what is this whole specular shading? Wait, use 2 F3. It drops when I move my mouse. No, I'm pretty sure this doesn't. I'm pretty sure this doesn't impact anything. Like, okay, what I wanna know is it using my GPU? The time jitter 170%. So is it using my GPU? Because it's bad. I'm pretty sure it was much better when I last played it. I guess we're gonna continue that. See, Citadel apparently a time traveling map. Which, yeah, I'm playing right now. So you can probably get there. Oh, never mind, there's no velocity. Need to. Yeah, maybe Purple could be a little better here. Oh wait, yes, I can surely get up there somehow. And how can I get there? Actually, by the way, I can wait. It's not Minecraft. It doesn't have ticks. It means I can't jam as easily. Actually, I can. Okay, fine. I still can't get up there. Wait, did it? What is? Can I? Oh, I can climb it. Okay, I expected that. I can get up there. I would like F5 to see what's around and where I can go. I can also probably go here. Actually, I could have climbed here from the start. I don't know what's happening. I fell. I'm gonna try to figure out frame rate before the next stream, but probably nothing's gonna change. Okay, I can get up there and I see blocks. I see individual blocks which like just hint for parkour. Yes, I could have went there. Oh, and there's like a bridge. Where is it? Yeah, that made no sense. Why did I go? Well, how did it get up last time? 10 minutes over. I guess we're gonna have to stop with this puzzle. I still wanna know how I got up last time. Yeah. Yeah, for now, I'm gonna. Oh, so I guess you can make me play this game completely through. What's the cooldown on it, by the way? One team. Uh, what? No, I'm not changing it. It's fine. I'm just asking what's the cooldown. I thought I made it like 2 kilo. Oh, took you a long time to finish. Still, I want to know what the cooldown is. See, you're making me play it all through the. I should have 20 minutes. And we're playing for 10, right? Fair enough. So you have no shortage of strings, so you probably can make me finish it in the whole stream. In one stream. Well, if I do a subathon, I'm still like I have this idea because summer I do. I have a lot of things to do. And if I didn't want to work on the overlay, I would have said, yeah, this is good enough. We're just gonna go on Linux or whatever. I have a lot of stuff to stream. I have a lot of ideas for stream. Up to playing Minecraft. And not just any Minecraft. I have many ideas for Minecraft as well. Including Minecraft commands. Because, yeah, I have some. I mean, it's fine. See, I have some ideas for YouTube videos. I really want to release, but I can't get around to it. I tried recording, it's so hard. Like, here I have chat. I see you. You can answer to me when I say stuff. But there, I just started recording and I'm like, okay, I need to. And I'm like, I need to say something. But I end up saying it so quietly. And yeah, we're back to it. By the way, Nigel, can you change stream category? Set oh wait, game. Set game. You can? I don't remember. So I'm pretty sure all mod actions must be commands. Actually, not, maybe not. Do you need editor for this? I can give you editor by the way. I mean, I am asking you. Let's see a I'm pretty sure there was a command. Announce. There are many announce commands. Changing to mod view. Install BTTV. Nigel. Okay, I can. In the meanwhile, I can actually open dashboard. This. So you can probably change it here. But I wanted to go to community. From a much heavier UI. You can customize this UI. And yeah, it is a bit heavy. So can you just get better TTV and it's gonna switch you automatically. Oh, hold on. Oh, the cooldown is 20 minutes. It's 30 minutes, right? Yeah, cooldown is 30 minutes. And then we're playing for 10. So yeah, can you change it? Oh, wow. I've been there. I haven't been there for a while. Oh. I can mark you as editor. I'm pretty sure that's gives you enough permissions. Including starting on or stopping streams, managing titles, and creating and editing clips. Like managing titles, I assume that should include it. Oh, well, so that's Duck AI assistant. Edit panel post. Great permission to grant. See, I gave you editor. Should probably was modified now. Last year. Yeah, that was my first VIP. Theory. By the way, you can do Googlebot. I wanna see. Nigel, we need an emote for a good mod. Imagine a good mod, and you would respond. See, I'm pretty sure you can do it while I figure out where to jump. Wait, oh, I went here, right? That's where I went up. Okay, so I can't. I don't think there's anything this way, so I should probably go this way. What is this pie? I wanna jump on it, but then I can fail later. Okay, it's just a pipe here. I'm pretty sure I was intending to jump there. Also, I'm pretty sure I can like do this and then I can get in. Also, the top layer. Can I try again? Wait, can I make the jump back? Oh, I might not be able to make the jump back. I probably can't. You have editor. You must be able to change category. Hold on. What's the mod view URL? Oh, let's start playing. Yeah, well, a little loud again. Oh, did it change? Probably didn't. Just loud. Yeah, we can do 10. Something like this. Because yeah, I also think it's a bit loud. Oh wait, pop out infinite coder. Wait, can't I open it from chat? Shield mode. Yeah, I don't like the shield mode. So close. Moderator. It's just Twitch/moderator. Oh yeah, it is /moderator. Like you have editor permissions. There's no more than I can give you. Good mod, yeah. Nigel, did you hear me about good mod? We need an emote you can use for good mod. Message. See, can't you just do that? We need an emote you can use for good mod. Message. Hold on, I need to mute myself first. See, can't you just do that? Stop. And here is the category. It's just this. Don't you have this button? So what is this? Hide stream info stripe. Yeah, I do want to. Wait, I don't want to hide the whole stripe. I want to hide the Also, there's this button. You can't take this. Why? Um. You must be able to. Okay, let me try this from Chatri's perspective. I mean, I guess I trust you. Takes more screen real estate from the actual stream. You like? I'm sure you must be able to. Like, edit. What is editor for than not like changing stream options? Moderator. Like maybe there's editor slash moderator dot is the channel. Done. What done? Okay, here. I am from Chatri's account. I can't change it, right? Is it Chatri's? Yes. Yeah, I changed it here as well. I am from Chatri's account. I can't change it, right? Yeah, you can change it. Okay. This is annoying. I know I changed it as well. Chatri doesn't need to be an editor, but you can be. So you can change stuff. Okay, where am I? Yeah, I can't go back here. I'm pretty sure, unless I like align for a jump. But I'm pretty sure I still can't. Yeah, it's far. So this was a one-way jump. I can still get there from here. There are blocks above my head now, which I don't enjoy. But yeah, here I am. I can get there from the top. Oh, I broke it. What is it? Well, how do you open inventory? Or is it... Does this game not have an inventory? Wait, fly mode. I don't need fast. Why do I have all of this enabled? Okay, I know what this is. I was just... Cause I'm now using Minecraft keybinds. Okay, so I left click, and I'm pretty sure it travels in time. Maybe. Okay, I don't think anything changes. Wait, what is it? I have Morse. It regenerates here. If I right click doesn't do anything. I can break it again. But what's the point? I don't think anything changes. Yeah, I don't think anything changes here. Maybe I can talk to an NPC. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, why? Did graphics change? Okay, it did travel in time. Oh, I wanna see the guy. Oh, I can't. Wait, I can't travel again. Wait, I traveled a bit too far. I can get this. Why did it go to my whatever slot? I wanted it in second. Okay, sure. So I think I traveled too far. Can I get back? Oh, that guy is always here. Oh. Let's spoiler. Look at the volumetric fall. Oh, I can't see anything.
I've never seen a traveler reach these ruins before. Why have you come here?
I have no idea, you tell me.
You must know the stories.
No, I don't.
The dead live here. I've never seen a traveler reach these ruins before.
Yes, I'm pretty sure it's...
Why have you come
yeah.
here?
It's a bit laggy when the dialogues pop up. Nigel, did you have the oh, did you have the fog? It's so dark in here. Maybe I should get rid of the focus. I can't see anything. And I can see a bit. I must. Oh, wait, I don't even have fog enabled. That's a different fog though. No, maybe tone mapping was a bit too much. It didn't change anything. Like I still have it. Is there volumetric stuff? Okay, I guess we'll continue with that. It doesn't like it. Down to 20 frames per second. Yeah, wait, I just got up. Oh, yeah, this. But I know there's another route. Oh wait, goes to a wall. What? Maybe I can. Wait, yeah, that's a different one. Oh my god, it's so dark. This is like more than Minecraft now. I can't see anything. I'm looking back and orienting this way. And now I don't know where I am. Okay, maybe I do need to change some settings. By default it is enabled. It doesn't change anything though. Do I need to relog? Hold on. Because I'm pretty sure the fog stuff. I mean, I guess, but whatever. Okay, what do we have here? I can go. How far can I go? Oh, wait, I can see the top. And these are zoom. I'm like, okay, at least zoom keybinds same kinda. I don't use the default zoom keybind. Only in Minecraft mods. But actually it is the default. So going here is pretty sure. So is he, wait, can I? Oh wait, can I go here? No, I can't. Oh, I see it. And yeah, that's just what I expected. I just want to make sure. I think there are no secrets because it's a game. But just in case, I'm still gonna go and look stuff. Wait, what is this? Nah, you missed my zoom. Oh, there's also a glowing thing here. Okay, but I'm assuming I can't get to it unless I travel again. So this is backwards, this is forwards. It makes total sense, right? Okay. So this is the pillar I built. Where is it? See more parkour there. Since it's the end of the time, right? The end of time. Oh wait, no, it's the beginning. I'm not. So I go forward. wait, I picked up this. Does this mean if I... Okay, this does mean. Can I kill the plant? No, I can't kill the plant. Wait, anything we can kill? No, apparently. Okay, I don't wanna take this with me. Okay, so I can go forward in time. So it's a little bit broken. Or is it? Alright, it's not. It's just... Wait, is it? It's just rebuilt in a different style? In this case? Or is it actually partially broken? Or it is partially broken. Okay, this is cool. This guy, you...
I have lived a half-life for longer than you can imagine.
What's a Half-Life? I know Half-Life is a game, but like in this case.
It's been so long. Too long.
Also, I'm assuming this guy is not gonna tell me anything
I
useful.
will remain long after you are dead, thief, staring at the same stones as they crumble over the ages. I have lived a half-life.
Okay, so
for
this guy
longer
is
than you can imagine.
locked here, I assume. Yeah, but this thing fades out, it lags a lot. Okay, so I can probably get up. You know what it reminds me of? A beautiful Minecraft map, which I have seen played on YouTube, so that's why it's beautiful. Because there are a lot of things, like when I was really small, I can take this one. So there are a lot of really small things. Wait, there are a lot of things I watched when I was small, and it's really impacting like now. Can I jump? No, I can't. Sadly, I can place stuff here and move forward. Wait, move backwards first. Let's move supplicate. Wait, I need to left click and not right click. Oh, there were stairs here. Oh, so I can get up. I can't finish the floor. Can't go in. But I can get up. Okay, so that reminds me of Maya. With his... How many? 5. 5? Okay, that's gonna be difficult. There are 5 levels times. Okay, so we don't do this one with this guy, let's just go forward once. At least they can sit inside. I miss sprint so much. Yeah, we talk to this guy. And I'm pretty sure he can't really get up anywhere. Then what do we have here? So, oh, by the way, can I see anything in here? It's just a cage. I wonder how it's checking if I'm gonna suffocate. Wait, what's wrong? What's this? What's the second one? I'm gonna number those. Year 1, year 2, year 3, and year 4. Okay, so where can I go? I need to go upstairs to get to them. So the second one contains 2 of this guy. Excuse me, that's wrong. You said that he's gonna be in a different place each time, not multiple of them are gonna be there. Okay, so can I get anywhere, really? If I switch from 1 to 2, midway. I didn't finish this sentence. This reminds me of Dimension Jumper. I saw a YouTuber who is really important to me because I watched him as a child a lot. Play a map called Dimension Jumper 2, well actually the second one, and this reminds me a bit about it. And there was also like Unfair time traveling map that he also played, but that's arguably closer. So I can destroy it even more. How do I get in though? Where do I want to go? By the way, it's oh yeah, yes. So I need to go up there. Just forward far and just parkour my way there. Which one have I started with? I'm pretty sure the third one. I wanna get up. Yeah, I can probably manage it now. No, I can't. Just need to find a way. If you're saying that, you probably... Oh, 10 minutes left, it's fine. If you're saying that, you probably had to do it multiple times. By the way, did I just do a new? It was the new. So it's... oh yeah, it's not teleporting because it was okay. Yeah, 10 minutes over. It's fine. How much longer on this redeem? That I know you don't redeem it later. Oh my god, it lags so much. Yeah, also, I wanted to get rid of some of those redeems, including Luanti. But I guess I'm not. And player game is still there. So I guess I'm keeping those. And I should probably close mod view because it's pain, and I should probably bring music back. And also, yeah, thank you. Good mod. It's not actually mod. It's related to an editor, but fine. And look at me, I'm in Godot editor, I'm like WASD. Anyway. So what if I changes to fight and catch Ashi? To make it more persistent. Would it make more sense? But the thing is, you can't fight it. It's like I do plushie. You can't fight a plushie without another one. And that's gonna be tricky to figure out how to fight. Did I just rip Flurp apart? By the way, Chromium is going really slow lately, so maybe I'm gonna switch to a Firefox based browser again. Not sure now. By the way, I also have a plan of making browser based on Servo, the engine. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it disappear. So yeah, maybe I could make a way to damage plushes without plushes. So you can damage a plushie without having it. I mean, you can already do that. Fight and catch. Maybe I should catch lowercase c. Does this make enough sense? So that you're gonna like plushes and ask somebody else, and you could like, and you need to figure out that you need to punch. But if you need to ask somebody else, then you can probably tell that you need to do punch, and then you just fight it. And you also have like limited time. So yeah, by the way, having circular plushes is better, because they can roll over your opponent, and that's useful. Wait, I defeated it. Move. Hold on. Well, first of all, you don't need Pokemon to catch Pokemon. I mean, technically you do, because you're not gonna be able to enter a battle. But you use balls to catch Pokemon. And if you talk to NPCs, they even say that that's what they're doing. It's like a person with punch and catch. But you like point is you do get your own Pokemon, your first Pokemon. But what's the point? Like you can just as well catch a plushie by fighting it with a wild plushie. It is gonna listen to you, it's just not gonna be persistent, it's not gonna be yours, you're not gonna be able to keep it updated. And yeah, I know like intro to many Pokemon games is like you catch a Pokemon and then you... Wait, no, you fight it. I don't want to remove wild plushes. Because, yeah, I don't want to. Because, like, here's a good example. If I scroll up a bunch. Oh, wait, apparently chat is not holding enough history. So, yeah. But, yeah. Bastronic, sorry. Used plushie command. And it's probably, like, I have it in my Twitch, panels even, and I have it in chat rules, so you literally when you join the stream you can see that. Like when you join the stream for the first time you can see that you were supposed to do plushie. Wait, I'm gonna change this message again. Fight and catch your own plushie. Oh, junior cap. So yeah, about section. Basically I just hallucinated Kiwiman with the fishing rod in my suggested channels list. Because I probably like mixed Kiwiman and Badkov. Oh wow, I still have this thing on Chrono channel. And okay, Dream Elements forced me. Don't. Nigel, this doesn't solve the issue. The thing is, even if the real issue is difference between my plushie system and Pokemon is that you always have plushes. You can fight with wild plushes. The issue is that in order to figure out how to get catching your first plush is hard. Because you need to, one, figure out that you need to fight a plushie to catch it. Two, you need to ask somebody to create a plushie for you so that you can fight it with your own plushie. And three, you need to figure out that punch command is used to punch plushie. And then catch command is used to catch it. But that's pretty straightforward. So yeah, you have... we have rules. Do not spam anything except plushie. And there's a Ferris emoji. That's probably... I thought I had more references to plushes. I guess no. I should also configure my stream schedule. See, the issue is it's too complex to get going, but the process isn't changing. I don't want to change the process. It's not fixing. Like, what's the point? I removed t-plushie command because I integrated it into plushie command. What was the problem, Sri? Hold on. Oh, the bank punch. It doesn't solve bank punch. You don't know the command you use to fight. Also, it probably should... yeah, it probably should show all the moves in team. That's a good idea. I really need to add that. Hold on, let me add it to my to-do list. And we can do it right now. Show moves in team. Because I'm literally on my roadmap, I'm gonna read some of it. Rewrite proper plushie creation logic, that's fine, I did it. Make catching more intuitive. Then we have show moves in bank team. Then we have something I'm not gonna say. It's a spoiler. Then we have plushie attacking with heat, more customization. So like JSON stuff. Wait, JSON. So like you can, I mean, I can add more customization in TOML files, and then more moves. Because yeah, I have one additional move, and it's in one place. And also, did the overlay crash? No, it didn't. Why am I not seeing your messages? Okay, were they there and I just missed them? Let plushies spawned by t-plushie be able to battle. Well, they can already battle by someone else. But what you are asking me to do is an ability for multiple plushes available. And I'm not doing that. And it's still gonna be too complicated. You need to ask somebody. You need to ask somebody else to do it anyway. At least to know about punch. And like how you do this. So like a plushie disappears. You see fight and catch a plushie to make it more persistent, and you're a new buy, imagine you mean. How can I fight a plushie? And what you're gonna get in response? I mean, I'm assuming somebody in chat is gonna tell you. So like you need... okay, just look at how silly this response is. You need a plushie to... and I know it's hard to word. Fight a plushie. Oh my god, I can't spell. Fight a plushie. And okay, I just can't. This feels too wrong that I want to rewrite this response, but I don't know how to. Or you just go bank plushie and then now do bank plushie and bank punch. And when I was talking to myself. And when you plushie has low health, you can try catch. You know, I could put all of this into like how to, but I don't know about that. I like how you can get progression from messages. So like when you do when you come into the stream, you only know bank plushie, and when your first plushie disappears, you see, oh, I need to catch it apparently. Fight and catch it. And then like you catch it, and then you see like, oh, I have my team. I can see my team and stuff. And yeah, by the way, I need to add to the team. Get moves. Hold on, how is it? I'm just gonna do get moves level. Flash leap move. No, I'm gonna do strings. Ray of string. Oh, it's how? Hold on, how am I supposed to use it? Can I can't filter a dictionary. Okay, I guess I'm just making a list. Array of string. Actually, I could do packed string array, but I don't want to. I mean, yeah, fine. Does it even work? So this is like moves available, because those are not always available. Then I would do moves available, append moves move level, and then I can return moves available, and then I do for move string in get available moves level, and yeah, it's an extra, and then I can just if move matches name, I just do that, and here I can do get moves. It's gonna be packed string array. Yes, it's just literally for them. I call this section sugar because it's like syntactic sugar. Yeah, that's something. Now, so we have instance. No, it's store. So how do you phrase it? Learned moves, available moves, known moves? I'm going to learn moves. You know what? I'm actually gonna take this, and I'm gonna do if. Also, I haven't sort. Yes, that's dangerous. Get available moves. So I'm gonna move this here. I'm surprisingly used to not destroy my clipboard. Like if I know something is important in my clipboard, I literally drag text with my mouse just to save my clipboard. If not, and for move in. Then I'm gonna append msg plus equals. Wait. Yeah, that's how I. Hold on, is there a join? Should have checked. Intersperse? No. Okay, no, that's not a thing. But like, why doesn't it have join? Maybe it has binary search. Yeah, it doesn't have join, unfortunately. Nothing similar. So we have available moves. Now in store. Maybe maybe I need like a string formatting thingy. Oh, I don't have Firefox. Nigel, you have Firefox. Do you have Firefox? Can you check moves? Literally any plushie, even wild plushies have punch. You don't use. I mean, team member. You don't use Firefox. I don't either at this point. Yeah, you have fire as well. Why is it? Why is it ordered? Oh, because punch is always last. I should sort them. To be honest, I just want that. It's in Flashy Lib. I think it's fine sorting 300 arrays of at most 5 elements each. That's what I'm gonna hopefully have at some point. It is config. Yeah, it's not this config. It's Plushy config. Yeah, it's now not. It's not Plushy proto anymore. It's now Plushy config. And init and then moves sort by keys. Now I'm gonna have to restart them. Can you do this again? Can you check Team Firefox again? So that we can see proper order. Yeah, that's better. Because like those dictionaries keep order. As silly as it is. Now I can mark this is done, I guess. So I also kind of want to have an utility to format lists. Actually, like it's all in store. It's all in like in those commands. So I might just add like a section drawing stuff. Wait, I'm like, I'm used to program displays on Arduino, and I'm like, this reminds me of drawing utilities so much. It's text stuff, text, and this is store. So So I'm gonna have a function of strings. Can you see bird? It's here. Format strings. Strings. And then I'm gonna return a string. Then I'm gonna do this, or like a result. The result. Oh, I remember Java string builder. It was such a good time. So I'm gonna do var index. Or actually for I in range strings size. So if I is greater than 0, I'm gonna do result plus equals. That's temporary. String size, because so here I'm also gonna add another condition. If strings if I equals to string size minus 1, or actually string size, yeah, minus 1. So if it's last element, yeah, then I'm gonna do result plus equals and else. And now I can use format strings here. Can just format strings moves here, much cleaner. I can also do it one-liner, I guess, but no, I like it better. Now, Nigel, can you please do this again? I'm also gonna check team infinite. Actually, we can just do team. Using infinite blend the Astra rejects a camel. Oh no, it's not. You have and. You have an. Oh wait, I didn't replace it in team. I'm so dumb. I forgot to replace it in the base team. I just %s chatter team. If message ends with a space. Oh wow, that's fancy logic here. Formats strings. Is there a map? There is map. It's a plushie right, return plushie name. So this should be, yeah, look at that. And we've got and. Look at this user experience. It's so nice to read, right? Oh, that's such a nice touch, actually. I really like it. And it was counting flashes on it. Imagine if it wasn't 5, and I like missed one somehow. But yeah, it seems to work. Now, I don't know about catching problem, but I can deal with I can deal with heat. No, probably it should be easy enough. So I need to go to plushie instance. So there we have ID. So there we have chatter ID. So if this is not equals, or actually like, how do I, how do I, how do I check? Sorry, by the way. How do I check for the plushie? I guess I can go for plushie in. Oh, I need world though. This plush instance could have a world instance. Let me temporarily to have autocomplete. Non-viewer plushes, viewer login. So I'm gonna go for each one. Yes, I could have probably done it better. Victim. Like possibly. Need to also check if move, get move. Like plush get move punch. And I'm gonna return there. Or actually, if plush get move punch. I could probably also duplicate those two lines. So I'm gonna have a method utility functionality. Sounds like the same for to me. Leap target position vector 2. It's like a one-liner. And then I could overlay it down by the way right now. See if all of this passes and nope, then I'm gonna do leap. Here in attack I can also use leap. Oh, I can't though. I guess fine. I guess it's fine then. Unfortunately, nobody's using hit, but it's pretty useful. By nobody's using, I mean in my context. Sorry. So in world, where do I add the plushie? No, I kind of need a separate function for raiding them now. Does Godot support this kind of arguments? That's not what I need. If position randomly here. Oh, and setting owners. So I'm just in case, I'm also gonna check if world is not null. Position randomly and child. And I guess I could also like pass in chatter optionally. If chatter, I'm gonna supply a chatter equals chatter and owners chatter user. Wait, ID. Oh, it's login. It's called login. Then of position randomly, I position it randomly. And then I do this. Okay, so it's peak first. So in peak I would plushy, and then chatter is like Twitch get stuff. We can get rid of all of this. And now I can put instance here, get rid of all of this. And also rate indie broadcaster, and get rid of all of this. Oh, but I need like need to handle it manually here. So I'm gonna set this up manually. And then also in tool view. And then I also search for world and plushy. Wait, add child. Yeah, that's fine. Fireball I don't need. Wait, it's world plushy child though. World plushes child. It's in hook. Okay, yeah, I messed it up already, because it should also be in add plushie. Chatter. No. Can go here. Oh, it's fine. It's just splashes. Now, if I restart this, should work, I think. So you can still use that. Now I can go to Twitch me. Oh, and it's gonna switch to mod view, of course, because BDTV. This is smaller, has multiple traits to do the same. Well, because Rust looked at C++ and said, oh, operator overloading. Who needs that? I have traits. And just made a trait for every operator, because strings have concatenation, but they don't have multiplication. That's important. But why Haskell doesn't... Why Haskell is so messed up, I don't know. Ow! Not... like, this is... I got null message. Wait, it might be... or not chatter. Actually, it's probably not chatter. Not equals chat ID return. Then I can handle if message type is not click return. I mean, actually, click it's fine. It's fine. Start. So I can do. Come out. Oh, ads are playing. Being plushy. So sad. You're gonna miss it. I know. It doesn't work anyway. It's fine. You didn't miss anything. If world and Lashy get move. Oh wait, I'm just insane. It works now. Oh, and oh, welcome back. Okay, look, bam. So first of all, hit works. Second of all, let's see if attacking worked. Okay, I might need to full screen this. Wait, it's gonna be. Oh, oh wait. Hold on, random plushie. Let's create a and message plushie. Now I have alacrity, and now I need to click. It doesn't seem to work. That looks silly. Everything is going crazy. Because stream. There are no clones, it's just stream in the background. I was trying hit. Because you were meant to. Oh wait, I didn't implement it. I'm so dumb. Victim. Center. Okay, so we have. I'm gonna check like is a soft body, and and soft body. Hold on, is a polygon. Now polygon. Can I check if a point if it is inside? geometry.is. Oh, there is class geometry, okay. Yeah, that's gonna be a bit expensive. Is pointing polygon. Okay, so I do. So I first of all I do the position. So it's target, and I do var target. This like cursor, and then I do cursor in victim, so body polygon, which should be an array of points. This. So if it is, then attack victim and return. Okay, now it should work, right? Three-seater. Okay, run, fly away. And now if I click on Atmel, I can't click on Atmel because of this thing. Like, why is this? Why is there this thing? Doesn't work, unfortunately. I can print debug. This probably be false. Yeah, but what if I? How can I get Twitch to not do this to me? Okay, so I'm gonna get a random plushie. Okay, this one is a nice big one. Maybe Twitch can let me deal with that. So it's about here. Was it false? Okay. I guess I need to like print debug cursor and polygon itself. And then I'm gonna figure out the difference. Oh wow, that's a lot of text. Wait, those aren't. Okay, so it's 136,900, and those are local positions. Oh. Can I like offset polygon? Polygon geometry 2D. There is exactly what I need. Oh wow. Except that it's apparently not. What is that? Offset polygon? Oh, it's inflating. Why is it returning an array then? I'm pretty sure there's offset polyline them. Oh, it's still inflating. Okay, I guess I have to do it manually. Fine, I'm just gonna do regular, non-so intense check. I'm too lazy and I'm gonna cry for my computer. So this is get center. How do you get center properly? You can look it up in attack. Get bones center position. Get bones center position. And square. It doesn't really matter if square at this point. Cursor. I could actually like use closest RBs. but nah, too lazy. So what's approximately the width? 300? Okay, so okay, so it's somewhere here. So here does it attack? Wait, it's squared. Hold on, it's I need like okay, I need 150 squared. I'm just gonna do this. I'm not even gonna leave the space in between. Okay, what about center? It's about here. So what about this point? Okay, now about this point. Need to be quick. Sharp. I couldn't. I couldn't be quick. So does it feel right? I don't know. It's like it's so approximate. So if I do this, but if I then do this, then it's not gonna touch it. It's not. It's gonna touch it like here. I mean, maybe I could make it a little smaller, but they really need to. I can do 130 by 130. Nigel, wanna test? Wanna test it? Do you even have heat enabled? Excellent. So you can now click on plushes. Like you can with heat you could before click on the screen to leap like that. But now you can oh, it was accident. I didn't punch it. But you can now click on plushes, which is really annoying because this thingy here. Oh, hold on. I need to spawn a new one for you. Ryzen. Oh, that's hard to click on. Hold on. I'm gonna find the better. YouTube. Okay, you can do gopher. Ow. It crashed. Level up. Non-existent function. Okay, that's what on ref counted stats. Wait, why is it stats? Didn't we test levels? How have we not leveled up this whole time? Okay, you're gonna get your Lisp leveled up now. Should work. Here you can have TypeScript. Destroy. And say how the experience was. Oh, you just hit my cursor while flying out of the way. Is it easier? I mean, assuming stream delay, it's not. You need to like predict when it's gonna where it's gonna go. I really need to do something about latency. Imagine double streaming to Twitch and Discord. And you could also, I mean, you can't click on Discord. There's no heat extension on Discord. Okay, yeah, you couldn't defeat it. And now with punches. Might have been me. Oh, hair. So similar to Glenda. Glenda is even making. It wasn't you. What was it? Flee. So yeah, now defeated to see if level up works. You can do punches now for this one. You can do all system because new doesn't really is not really enjoyable. Well, at least unless you have good level, good latency. Okay, you want hair? Fine. Catch her. You need a lot more. You understand? You need a lot more damage. You couldn't catch her. Okay. Oh wow, this one. You don't even know what this is. I mean, you do, but this is an interesting one. You know what it's called? You wanna know what it's called? I'm pretty sure the name is simple, but there are other names. Ah, why have nobody leveled up? You're not gonna know what it is anymore. Where is it? Okay, it should be fine now. It is a coin, but not just any coin. It was Iron himself who suggested this one, I'm pretty sure. Here you go. A rematch. It even says in Russian who this is. Oh, ow. Leg spike. At least we're gonna test level ups. You're gonna destroy yourself this way. How have you fixed it? Where's the level up message? Huh? No, they didn't work. How? Why? There's no way it didn't work. Hmm. I don't get it. Can we reroll, Nigel? Wait, oh wait, no, it did level up beforehand. Okay, it's fine then. Let's try again. Um, fight OpenCV. Why is this? Oh, is it really offset? Is the blue circle offset from all others? That's interesting. 35 XP. By the way, did you notice that random plushes now have random levels? So wild plushes may be on level 2 already, and may even be on level 3, and probably not actually. But it's like you have a bit of attack and defense on random plushes. Then move punch. So yeah, you need a little bit more for leveling up. Here you go, cast. List versus cast. Just, so, no, I'm not gonna do that. Don't catch it. Lisp is too weak. You need to level it up. Just end it at this point. I'm pretty sure you. Oh my god, you caught it. It was like one more hit and it would have ended. Okay, we need to test the level up though. So, I propose an ultimate battle. Don't catch it though. Don't. Hey, how am I gonna test leveling up? Okay, fine, I'm gonna do this myself. Let me just find the team members that can level up. And you just fall from the sky. Uh, oh my god, it looks cool. You were fighting in the skies. I wanna do this again. I want you. Wait, I'm focused on the wrong thing. It got to level 3, let's go. Okay, the thing worked, at least. Now, I guess, yeah, cross that stuff of the list. No, I didn't. No, I crossed it. It's fled, actually, fled. Okay, so I would like to. First of all, how long am I going for? 3 hours. Kinda wanna eat. And I also need to record. So we might end early today, but I'm streaming tomorrow. Hopefully. Remind me to. And I also want to add like moves. Some moves. So if you have any suggestions, drop them on Discord. Any moves you'd like me to implement? Oh, that's gonna be a bit of work though. Because I have two and those took forever to implement. Moves and special items. Because I do want items. Although the way you find them is gonna be interesting. Hopefully I'm gonna get to around to implementing it. But yeah, I think we're gonna be ending. Steady. Steady. Anyway. It's just closed. Can I... Oh, can I do raid pro... Like... I can do raid browser... Oh my god, that's so useful. But when I do it first, nobody's getting around. I need to find somebody who can beat Nigel. Provide an actual competition. Between got a new cluster out. Risk 5, 160 core, Risk 5 supercluster and a single M.2, that's insane. Anyway. Persistent talent system, what? Maybe we can rate Gavino. He's still going. Have not rated him in the last 30 days. Oh, that definitely would fix him. Unless you have some better alternatives. Style guide, lifeguard game. Oh my god, this design document. So yeah, I guess we're gonna be ending. Viewers, yay. So thank you for joining. I will see you tomorrow, hopefully. Don't forget. That's probably gonna be morning stream. Hopefully. Oh, earlier at least. And yeah. See you next time. Goodbye. Long